Westermans here again with these two universal robots. We now have some power onto the robots. As you can see from the video, condition of these is like 9.5 out of 10. Both of the UR10es. The DINS torches fitted, water cooled. These machines set up ready to be well tested and functioned and serviced. As I'm being told though, these type of robots don't take a lot of service. More details available on westermans.com. Hopefully for another client, we're going to look at putting the Fronius Magic Wave 4000 TIG on with cold wire feed. This is actually again as new unit. Originally was purchased with a robot but never put into commission, so now the chance is to see whether we can actually get that linked up to the universal robot with the help of Olympus Robotics. Like I say, more details available on this and other machines on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.